Century home built 1912, meticulously restored and updated. This home has all the charm of a century home but all the amenities of a new built. Starting with a custom oak kitchen with granite countertop, center island to accommodate the extended family, entertainment center and coffee bar. Beautifully restored oak trim throughout. The family room boasts a maple hardwood floor that originated from the Ada High School old basketball court. The adorable pub offers additional counter space, stovetop and refrigerator to assist entertaining guests. Outdoor entertaining spaces are the 2 decks, fire pit patio, covered porches and 3/4 acre pond. Sand beach, windmill aerator for pond. New side deck overlooking pond. New septic tank. 2 barns, 44 by 44 and steel pole building 105 by 60. Buildings add plenty of space for